Okay, same 8 kW generator, and apparently somebody did hammer on this thing. Where's my camera? There it is. If you look just to the left side of that nut, right there, hopefully you can see the split. You see these things are, let me see, that's the flat side. That's the side, that's the flat side. Hard to aim a camera. And then this side, if you look at it, it's beveled back a little bit. You know, it's made to slip on big and then tighten down. And when they hammered on it, they actually cracked that right open. So I had no connection. So I ended up, where is it? Cutting that off. I put this one on and I applied antiox, and it's good and tight. You don't need to over tighten it like this and split the poor thing. So I'll slip that back. I tighten that up. Tighten that up so that don't move no more. This is the same generator that this went on it, and I replaced it. And I do remember the owner saying that he thought that that wasn't tight enough. I think he added a little bit to it, and he's a lot stronger than I am. So now let's see if it'll start. Let's see, I got everything out of the way. Yeah. Might have helped. I pulled that 7.5 amp fuse out. Ah, you rotten son of a bitch. This wouldn't go back on after I put on that different style. Difference in pitch in the engine. It has a cold start, smart start, whatever they call it. So it'll start out low, then it runs for a little bit to figure it's warmed up, then it'll run it up to RPM. So that's all she wrote with this. Just a loose, well, broken battery terminal and a loose battery terminal on the starter switch.